This is a review of electric foam cutting tools kit. Let's go ahead and open the box and see. These are some of the features. Here is the adapter. Heat pipes 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, curve band. And you can adjust it. You can adjust the voltage right over here. And there is also LED screen there. We have 2 more boxes. Let's take it out. Here is the color. Let's open this one. Let's go ahead and open this one. What we have in the box, basically adapter and foam cutting pen, 6.5 and 10 centimeters. And there is one curve right here, and temperature adjustment charger, ball hot plate, holder, cutting handle, marker pen. Here is the pen. Here is the marker. These are foam cutting pens, heating wire for ball. Here is the cutting handle, and you can just right over here. And then we can go ahead and plug this in over here. We can go ahead and put it in the test. Right now, this is in the middle. We can increase it, but let me use it in the middle right now. And here is the holder. You can hold it like that, or take it out and put this one right over here, like that. I will use this one first. Let's take it out and put this one. Before I use it, I will draw something here. We have the pen also. I know I'm drawing perfectly. Let's turn it on here. This is very good. And also this is replaceable. Let's turn it on. In seconds, it's active. See? I know I'm not perfect, but see, wonderful. Let's try to use the other ones. When you're done with it, take it out. Be careful, it is supposed to be cooled down first. And let's try to use this and turn it on. See, in seconds. I know this is a little bit thin. Ooh, all right. Is this too much? We can change the voltage. That's wonderful. Look at that. We have 2. Let's turn it off and take it out. Let's try to use this one. I'm gonna use a little bit thicker. Let's increase this. This is very smooth. Try to use it like that. Awesome. Turn it off and take it out. Let's use this one. Let's turn it on. Give it a second. How about this? If you want to change this area, you need to get 22 centimeters. We have extra right there. And then cut this up. Then go ahead and tie it over here. And then tie it to the left. And it's not going to be too tight, or it's not going to be too loose. This is perfect. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because we have the handle. There is turn on and off button here. We have 4 cutting pens, and this is replaceable. We have additional hot plate. And here is the adjustment of the voltage. Then you can change the voltage here. You can turn it off from here and turn it on directly to 9.2 voltage. The minimum is 4.0. Let's put it in the maximum and turn it on. Let's see. It cuts perfectly.